Hello students, once again welcome to English Literature Classroom. Today I am going to teach Smart English 8, Chapter 6, Theseus and the Minotaur, Part 2. In my previous video, I already uploaded Part 1. Okay, today I am going to upload Part 2. Come on, let's start. Before starting, let me recap a little. King Minos of Crete was a powerful man feared by the rulers of the land around him. Inside his palace, he built a giant maze. At the center of the maze, he kept a terrifying creature, the Minotaur. Minos demanded that every year the king of Athens should send him 7 young men and 7 young women. One day, Theseus, the son of king of Athens, decided that he himself would go to Crete and kill the Minotaur. Okay, now I am starting from page 60. Okay, second last paragraph. Standing behind the king, listening was his daughter Ariadne. Okay, now Ariadne, daughter of King Minos. Okay, he was listening to all the conversation. Okay, from the moment he set eye on Theseus, Ariadne liked him. Now, from the moment Ariadne saw Theseus, she started liking him. She decided that she would help him. Okay, now she decided that she would help Theseus. Theseus, take this, she whispered. Okay, even if you kill the Minotaur, you will never find your way out again. Okay, now Ariadne told Theseus that even if you kill the Minotaur, you are not going to find your way out again because inside it is a maze and it is difficult to find out the way. Therefore, she threw him a great ball of string and he tied one end of it to the entrance. He smiled and began to make his way into the maze. The string unwinding behind him as he went. Now, the string followed. As Theseus went inside, the string followed him. Okay. Now Theseus walked carefully through the dark, fouling-smelling passages. Now from this passage, foul-smelling was coming. Okay. Theseus walked inside. Okay. Expecting at any moment to come face to face with the creature. He turned a corner with his hand held out, suddenly touched a huge horny bone. Okay, sorry, bony horn. Okay, suddenly he touched a huge bony horn. Come on, let's see the question. Who helped Theseus in finding out his way from the maze? Okay, who helped? Now, the answer is King Minos' daughter Ariadne helped Theseus in finding out his way from the maze. Okay, now let's continue. Now, up between the Minotaur's horn and tossed high into the air. When he landed on the hard, cold stone, he felt the animal's huge hooves came down on his chest. Okay, now Theseus landed on the hard, cold stone. And what did he feel? He felt that animal's huge hooves came down on his chest. He struggled to stay alive in darkness. It was very dark, okay? Theseus struggled to stay alive in the darkness. As the Minotaur bellowed in his ear and grabbed at him with his hairy arms. Now, what did the Minotaur do? Minotaur bellowed in his ear and grabbed at him, okay, with its hairy arms. Theseus found a strength. At that moment, Theseus found a strength which he did not know he possessed. Theseus had no idea that he had a lot of strength. He grabbed the animal's huge horns. Now, what did Theseus do? He grabbed the animal's huge horns and kept on twisting the great head from side to side. Okay, he kept on twisting the great head from side to side. As the animal grew weak, Theseus gave one almighty tug on the head. Okay, what did Theseus do? Theseus gave one almighty tug on the head, turning it almost right around. The creature's neck snapped and it fell to the floor. Okay, the creature's neck snapped and it fell to the floor with an enormous thud. Okay, enormous noise. Okay, thudding noise. It was over. He had done it. Means Theseus was successful in killing Minotaur. Minotaur was dead. In this way, we see that Minotaur is dead. Okay, Theseus was successful in killing the Minotaur. All he had to do was to make his way out of the maze. Now, one thing he has to do. He has to come out of his way of the maze. In his struggle, he had let go of the string, his lifeline. Okay, he had let go of the string, his lifeline. Now let's see the question. Why did other rulers give Minos of Crete men and goods for his army? Answer. It was because if they did not, he would go to war with them. Okay, let's continue. Now, Theseus wondered if this was where his life would end. Theseus thought that now if he would not get the string back, his life would end there because it is not possible for him to get out of the way, okay, from that maze. Down in the dark, all alone next to the body of the Minotaur. He thought that he would die there next to the body of the Minotaur. Then his hand brushed a piece of string. All of a sudden, he got that piece of string. He found the thread which would lead him back out. As he neared the entrance of the labyrinth, the darkness began to fade and he saw the figure of Ariadne waiting for his return. Now, as he neared the entrance, he saw that darkness was ending and he also saw Ariadne was standing over there waiting for him. "You must take me back to Athens with you," she cried. Now, Ariadne told Theseus that you must take me back to Athens because if you would not do so, my father will kill me. Okay, because of helping Theseus. Okay, when he learns that I have helped you. Clear? Now, let's see the question. Why was the Minotaur terrifying? Answer. The Minotaur was terrifying because it was half man and half bull. Let's continue. Of course, said Theseus. It would be cruel to leave you here. Okay, now Theseus also thought that it would be cruel to leave Ariadne all over there. Okay, because King Minos would certainly kill Ariadne. Quickly and quietly, they unfurled the great back sails of the ship and headed for home. Now, Theseus with Ariadne started for home. "I cannot believe how my life has changed," said Ariadne. Now, Ariadne is telling that I cannot believe how my life has changed. I am free of my cruel father. Ariadne is feeling that she is free from a cruel father and I will soon be married to a great prince. Theseus did not want to marry Ariadne. Now look, Theseus was not at all interested to marry Ariadne. So when the ship stopped at a small island to collect water. Now look, the ship stopped. And where did the ship stop? At a small island. Why? Just to collect water. Now what did Theseus do? Theseus sent off her to find bread and fruit. Theseus told Ariadne to go and collect bread and fruit. And at that moment, when Ariadne was gone, Theseus set sail and left her on the islands. Theseus left Ariadne on the island. Okay, look, this is not a good thing to do. Okay, Ariadne helped Theseus. So Theseus should help Ariadne, but Theseus did not do that. This was a bad way to reward someone who has helped you. Let's see the question. Why did Theseus want to go to Crete? Answer. Theseus wanted to go to Crete because he wanted to slay the Minotaur. Slay means kill. Clear? Now let's continue. Theseus had forgotten something. In his haste to get away, he had not changed his sail to white. Now, Theseus' father, Aegeus, has told him to change the sail from black to white if he is saved. Okay, but Theseus had forgotten to change the sails to white. Okay. King Aegeus, waiting on the headland, saw the ship approaching with his black sail finally in the wind. Now King Aegeus saw that with the black sail, the ship was approaching and he thought that his son is dead because he told his son that if he is alive, he should change the sails to white. But Theseus has forgotten to do so. Now Aegeus is telling, "My son has failed and he is dead." He cried. And in despair, he flung himself from the cliff. Now, what did he do? He jumped himself from the cliff into the raging water below. Okay, he jumped himself from the cliff into the raging water below. From that day on, the sea was named, okay, in memory of Theseus' father. From that day on, the sea was named in memory of Theseus' father, and to this day, it's known as the Aegean Sea. And to this day, even that sea is known as Aegean Sea. The last question, in whose memory was Aegean Sea named? Answer. Aegean Sea was named after King Aegeus' name. Clear? With this, I'm concluding this chapter as well as this video. Okay? In my next video, I will bring something new. Until then, goodbye.